Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we'll open the laptop where the battery, RAM or the SSD consist inside the laptop, I mean on the back side. I have a laptop which is of HP brand, so all the battery which is inside here, RAM is there, and then SSD is there, all the three things are inside there. And if you want to upgrade, then we have to open it. We can do it by ourselves or we can give it to a laptop repairing center, but if you want to do it yourself, then we can easily do it. Even if you don't have the SSD slot, then if you have this CD reader in your laptop, then you can replace it with that and you can put the SSD there. If you want to increase the performance, if you have hard disk on your laptop, then please upgrade it to SSD. SSD is very much faster. You will feel the improvement or changes in your laptop. And then most laptop have around two RAM slots, and out of which one is used and one is blank. So if you want to upgrade it, then please add new RAM stick to it so that the performance will be increased. To add SSD, you can do one thing. You can add your SSD stick, and then you have to move your Windows to that SSD so that it will be fast. Okay, not to rely on a hard disk. Hard disk will be there for storing the media files or something. But if you have to run your OS or boot your OS, that should be of SSD. Okay. Before opening the laptop, just make sure you have a screwdriver like this or a set like this. You can manage to bring this size of screwdriver. Okay, and now just check if this works or not. And for me, it is working. So before going to this video, I just want to tell you. Okay, this is the CD holder. So if you have this rubber braided things on your laptop, then mostly all the screws will be inside this. Okay, all the screws, let's say 2 3 will be here and 2 3 will be here, and here 2 3 I can see. So total 8 to 10 screws will be there, which you have to open it, and after that you just have to gently open the laptop. So let me open the screws. And guys, before removing the screws, just make sure you have shut down the laptop, because in that case, if it is in sleep mode, then this might will give you a current. Okay, so all the screws which are visible to me or external, I have opened it. Now we have to move to the another challenge where we have to pull this rubber out. A normal screwdriver will work. Okay, this looks fine. So now you can see there that around 3 screws are inside this rubber. I have long rubber. Some laptops have small rubbers like here or here in different shapes or sizes. You can just check there if there is any screw inside, hidden inside that. Now after removing the screws, you just come to here where you can find the space, and then just put the screwdriver and just detach all the hooks or attachments which is available, which is for the safety that laptop will not come out. So now just go like that, You can see the gaps now. So you just have to put the screwdriver and just circulate it, it will get out. Similarly we have to do for another side. You can take out the CD drive if you have, because we have opened this screwdriver which holds the CD. Now this side is very thin, you have to do it carefully. So now it easily came up. Just have to put back the laptop. So this is the cover. Okay, you can clean the dust whatever you have dust in your laptop. You can see it is mostly on near the fans. So now you have the laptop. Don't open anything or something, or don't detach anything. This will turn off the laptop. I'll explain you what all the things we have. So let's break down all the components of this laptop. This is hard disk drive. Okay, so my laptop comes with hard disk drive. So this is the one. This is the battery. Okay, I had replaced it with a different brand. It is earlier it is of HP, but I later purchased for Lapgear and I replaced it. So just make sure which model is compatible for you, and you can just replace the battery. Here is the SSD. I mean, you can see this is the SSD stick which I bought few months ago, and I put it and I put the Windows in it. So whatever the files are coming, it comes from here. I mean, when the Windows needs to boot, this comes from here, and this is just now a storage device for me. And these are the two RAM slots. Okay, first one is already attached, and the second one we need to fill. I mean, I'm going to add it. And this is cooling fan, which is for, and this is the cooling chamber, which is the processor and graphics. Okay, and these used to get cool by this cooling fan. And this is basically the complete motherboard, which consists of the RAM, and it holds the access of SSD, it holds the access of hard disk drive, and all the drives, everything is attached to this motherboard.